Chicago, Mayday, 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 Brickyard 4809. We got an engine fire on the left side. We need to return back to Chicago immediately.
Brickyard 4809, Chicago Center, roger. Altitude, your discretion, just let me know what it is. And turn, or I'll have a turn to the left here shortly. You want to go back to O'Hare?
Yes, sir. When you go back to O'Hare, we are at 13,500.
Brickyard 4809, roger, one moment. Brickyard 4809, did you want to make a left turn or a right turn?
Right turn, please, for Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, roger. No higher than 15,000. If you need something else, let me know. Brickyard 4809, you're clear to the Chicago O'Hare International Airport via initial radar vectors. Turn right heading turn right heading 270.
All right, right turn heading 270.
And Brickyard 4809, let me know when you have the moment for the question.
I just, one more minute.
And Brickyard 4809, it was a engine fire in which engine?
Engine fire in the left engine, that is the number one engine server, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, roger, thank you. Brickyard 4809, you have a runway preference. Brickyard 4809, when you get the info, let the next controller know. They'll have the runway assignment. Contact Chicago approach 119.0.
All right, 119.0 will do. Thank you, Brickyard 4809. Brickyard 4809, we're checking in at 13,500, doing speed of 240. We got an engine one fire. You need to request the longest runway that you have.
Brickyard 4809, Chicago approach, roger. It's going to be runway 27 center for you. Fly heading 210, vector final approach course. What is your altitude?
We're at 13,500, 210 for the heading and 27 center for the approach. Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, roger. Descend and maintain 7,000.
To maintain 7,000, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, we're not getting mode C from you, so just report when you're level at 7,000, please.
All right, how about now for Brickyard 4809?
And Brickyard 4809, I have it now. I'll show you 12,900.
Affirm, thank you.
Brickyard 4809, are you going to be able to descend for the approach, or do you need delay vectors for descent?
Delay vectors, please, for Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, roger. Turn right heading 270.
270, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, just when you're ready, I have a couple of questions for you we need to ask regarding the emergency.
All right, no worries. Give me about 5 minutes.
Roger.
And for Brickyard 4809, you're ready for your questions, sir.
Brickyard 4809, we need souls on board and fuel remaining in pounds, please.
All right, we have 63 souls on board. Fuel in pounds is 10,240 pounds.
Brickyard 4809, thank you. Turn right heading 230.
Heading of 230, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4804, descend to maintain 4,000.
Is that for Brickyard 4809?
Yes, thank you. Brickyard 4809, descend to maintain 4,000.
4,000, Brickyard 4809. We're going to go ahead and start slow as well.
Brickyard 4809, of course, speed is your discretion.
Thank you.
And you're the only one for the runway, so take your time, whatever you need.
Thank you.
Brickyard 4809, turn right heading 250, intercept 27 center localizer.
All right, 25 center winds at the localizer, 27 center, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, 5 miles from Jimbo, maintain 4,000 until established in localizer, cleared ILS from a 27 center approach.
All right, clear the ILS 27 center approach, Brickyard 4809.
Brickyard 4809, contact O'Hare Tower now, 121.15, nice work.
12115, Brickyard 4809, thank you, and good job to you. Tower, Brickyard 4809, ILS 27 Center.
Brickyard 4809 on her tower, the wind is 200 at 8, the altimeter 200 under 6, runway 27 center, clear to land.
27 Center, clear to land, Brickyard 4809.